Remove the nut. Install the training wheel. Put the nut. Tighten it securely and repeat this process on the other side. Turn the front fork to face forward. Insert the stem post into the steerer tube. Adjust the handlebar height, then securely tighten the stem's top cap bolt. Tighten the bolts gradually in a cross pattern over 2 to 3 passes. Never fully tighten a single bolt at once to avoid damage. Remove the washer and nut on the front wheel. Use the hook to secure the wheel in place. Tighten the nuts. Make the place with holes on the fender stand upright. Insert the screw stem of caliper brake into the whole front fork. Secure it with nut and washer. Slide the brake cable through the slots and place the cable head into the brake lever, and rotate the cable nut and cable barrel so they are no longer aligned. With one hand, squeeze the caliper arms until both brake pads contact the rim. Loosen the cable anchor bolt just enough to allow the cable wire to move freely. Unlock the quick release lever and insert the seat post into the seat tube. Take out the pedal with the letter R and turn clockwise into the right crank arm. Be sure to firmly tighten the pedal with the wrench to avoid the danger of thread damage. Take out the pedal with the letter L and turn counterclockwise into the left crank arm. Install the rear reflector red on the seat post and white reflector on the handlebar. Use the cross screwdriver to install the bell. Slide the spoke reflector wide onto a spoke and push it until it clicks into place.